Good morning. So here we are, day one of the bike paint. Not my bike, by the way. Well, it used to be, not no more. Here we are. As you can see, bike's been stripped down. All the parts being painted have been taken off, and we're getting into it. Over here we've got some of the parts on the bike. From the bike, I should say, and Wayno. He's an artist. He's getting it all done and sorted for me. And still to come, guys. Wait until you see this colour. Not talking about it. It's gonna go fucking pow, mate. I tell you, pow. Anyway, guys, another video to come later on today. Might reveal the colour once the parts start getting painted, but not going to guarantee that. So enjoy this beautiful day that we've got happening, and I'll speak to you guys later on. Peace. Okay, guys, here we are. It's a big reveal. Thanks to my mate Wayno, painter extraordinaire, artist, and all the rest. Can't complain about the work he's done. And get ready, here we go. We're going to swing around and we're going to have a look at the end results, I'd say. I think it's fucking magic, but I'll leave that up to you. Okay, guys, you ready for this? There we go. There you go. Did you get that? No? Okay, we'll do it properly. Check this out. That is a 1967 Plymouth or Charger colour, and it's called Crazy Plum. Check out the sparkle. Look at the shine. I don't know if you can see it through the camera, but in person it is like fucking wow. Yeah. There we go. Purple is now the new black. Hope you enjoy this. I know I am.